Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You're climbing through the sky in a specialized photography platform aircraft. Headset on, harness secured. The door is off. The engine's steady. The air is alive. And just off your wing, another airplane slides into position. Not below you, not far away, right there. This is air-to-air photography, one of the most challenging, technical, and exhilarating forms of photography in the world. It's where aviation precision meets creative instinct, where pilots and photographers communicate in real time, where every movement matters and every frame is earned. This isn't sightseeing. This isn't a joyride. This is a photo mission. In this immersive air-to-air photography tour, you'll learn how these images are actually made, how aircraft are positioned, how light is managed at altitude, how safety, coordination, and timing come together to create photographs that feel impossible. You'll fly with experienced professionals who live and breathe this world, people who understand both the art and the aviation behind it. You'll shoot real aircraft in real flight under real mission conditions. This is where preparation replaces luck. You'll learn how to anticipate motion, how to read the sky, how to make decisive creative choices in seconds, because the moment won't wait. And when everything lines up, the aircraft, the light, the angle, you'll press the shutter and capture something most photographers will never experience. Images with energy, with tension, with story. This tour is limited. The aircraft are real, the seats are few, and the experience, absolutely unforgettable.